Welcome you all for the video lecture on Python. Today's topic is mastering files and exceptions. In this presentation, we will explore the essential concepts for the building of the robust applications. We will cover data persistence, user interaction, and error management. These are foundational skills for any developer. The text files and its basics. The plain text. Files store human readable text like .txt or .csv. Encoding. Character encoding such as UTF-8 defines character storage. Organization. Data is structured line by line or as a continuous stream. Usage. Ideal for configurations, logs, or simple data storage. So, text to files we have covered. Next, reading files, accessing data. Open for reading. If we want to access data, then we need to give this syntax. Open filename.txt, comma, read for Python. And then read entire content. File.read gets content as a single string. Read line by line. File.readLine reads one line. File.readLines returns a list of lines. Automatic closure with opening parenthesis closing parenthesis as F colon ensures proper file handling. Writing files, storing information, create or overwrite. Open output.txt, W writes, overwriting all data. Append data, open log.txt, A adds to the file's end. Write strings, file.write, your text here, next line, outputs text. Add new lines, remember to use next line for line breaks. Ensure closure, always close files or use the bit statement for closing the file. Format operator, structured output. F strings, in the version Python 3.6 plus, use F name, age for clarity. These are essential for creating readable, structured file content. Dot format method, employee value, flower bracket opening and closing, format variable for formatting, percentage operator, legacy, access number, %d for integer, percentage number value for all the code. These ensure consistent data representation for easy parsing. Command line arguments. Dynamic input. Import sys. This sys module accesses script arguments sys.argv list with sys.argv0 as the script name. It accepts parameters, enables scripts to take input file or output path. Example usage, try python script.py, input.txt, bar verbose. Exception handling, robust code. Try except blocks, manage runtime errors gracefully. File not found error occurs when an open target is missing. So in file handling, sometimes we may end up with giving some codes. Those codes may not be interpreted to the computer since the cases are different. Here, file not found error will appear when an open target is missing. An input output error, output system error, it indicates a general input output operation failures. Prevent crashes indicates it provides crucial user feedback. And finally, block. This ensures resource cleanup like closing files. Conclusion: building reliable programs. File input output crucial for data driven tasks. String formatting ensures clear passable output. CLI arguments allow flexible reusable scripts. Exception handling guarantees application stability. Thus, we come to the end of today's session. Next, we will meet in another session. Thank you.